Hello guys, welcome to my free digital marketing course. Today going to be very interesting. I will tell you that how you can make your own blog, how to make a beautiful blog. So what you need to do, first you must have a website. If you are not having a website, then click on below link. Here I will show you that how to make a website in 10 minutes. So after having a website, then you can design your own blog. How you can, that I will tell you. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on post page. Post, in the post, what we do, we write blogs. Okay, so click on the post page and click on add new. Okay, so now it is loading. It will take little bit of time. So now this is where you have to write your title. For example, my title is what is digital marketing, then I will write it here, what is digital. So if my title is what is marketing, then I will write here what is marketing. Okay guys, so I have written here. The WordPress has all the options. If you want to change this color, then you can also change this color. Okay guys, if you want to underline it, then you can also underline. So now here you can add anything that you want to add. For example, if I want to add list, then I can add list. If I want to add something else, then I can add something else. So let me add something. So if I want to add an image, then I will add an image. But first let me add some text. So I will add some text here. Okay, so I will choose this media and text. So here I will add a media and here I will add a text. So let me add the text. So this is my text, and if I will add here a media, so let it be little short. So I will delete this. So I can also delete anytime any block. Now I have added some text here. Now if I want to add an image, then I can also add an image here just by clicking on this. So click on this icon to add an image. So now I need to upload an image, so I will upload an image. Okay, so this is an ocean, guys. So what I'm telling to you in this lecture, that how to write a blog and how to use WordPress to write your blog. This is so simple. So click on upload to upload your image. So guys, let me choose this picture. It's looking good, so I will select it. So now my picture will appear. So this is my picture. So this how you can design your blog. It is the first step. Then you have to optimize it according to search engines. Then you need to follow some blogging techniques that I will tell you. Okay, so first thing I am telling you that how to utilize this WordPress tool to write a blog. So this is an introductory video, so you already know it, or you can also do it yourself also. Okay, so this is so simple. You can also go to settings to change some criteria. You can see it. Okay, you can add some text here. For example, I will add digital marketing. So you can add text also here. So just click on publish to publish this article. So it's updating, it will take some time. So now our post is updated, our article is updated. So what if I want to see it, then just go back and click on visit site. Okay, so now it is there. But my previous blogs have, what they are having, they are having a featured image. But this blog, let me open it. So this is our blog, looking little bit of good. Okay, so what you need to do, first we have to add a featured image to it so that it's look quite good. So what we will do, we again go to our post page, our dashboard, pages, and sorry, post. Pages is what, when we want to add some pages. Okay, so this is, we'll click on edit. So to add a featured image, so guys, this is an introductory video. Okay, so in the next lecture I will show you that how actually you have to write the article, and After that, I will tell you that how to optimize your article according to Google. That is simply search engine optimization, which is most important part to rank your website and to get more traffic. But in this, I am telling only the basics. So what you will be doing, go to this featured image and you can set your featured image here. So I will also set my featured image. It is loading. So let me, so I will do this. Okay, it's looking quite cool. I will make it to set featured image. Now my featured image is set. I will click on update. And now let's see our blog. Click on this WordPress icon and go click on home icon and click on visit site. So guys, this is, so now our featured image is looking. So there is a little bit of problem here, but you can manage it. So this is how you need to write a blog. It is the basic part that I am telling to you. So for starting with the blogging, first you need to know that how to utilize the WordPress information and WordPress tool to write a blog. So that is what general thing I will tell you in this lecture. So in the next I will tell you that how to write a beautiful blog, how to make the sentences, how to choose your topic, how to do niche selection, how to do everything will be the next topic, and after that we'll go to search engine optimization. So best of luck for right now. We'll meet in the next lecture.